Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can format a USB drive on a Mac device. Now we'll need to open the disk utility. So you can search for it under your launchpad here. So search for disk utility here. And this is what it's going to look like. Now the USB drive you're looking to format should show or should be shown here. I'm going to go ahead and insert the USB drive. There it is. Now to format the USB drive, you want to select it and then right click, and then you want to go to erase. You can give it a name. And then here you have the options for the format type you want. So I'm going to go with the default export here, and then just click on erase. And that should begin the formatting process. Okay, and it's done. So just click on done, and there you are, you're done. Now before you format, make sure that you don't have anything on that disk that you don't want to lose, because it's gonna delete everything. If you want to check what you have on the disk, you can open Finder, and under locations you should see your USB drive, and if you click on it, you should see the contents of it. If it's not listed here or if it's not showing here, you need to go to Finder, the settings for Finder, and then under sidebar, just make sure that you have these options here checked. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.